To better understand the retail business functionality within Dynamics 365 for retail, some terminology and definitions should be clearly understood. Channels are conduits for delivering goods, services, or information. Out of the box, Dynamics 365 for retail has 4 channels in the retail module. Retail stores are considered the standard brick-and-mortar stores used to shop, display, and sell products to the end users. Online stores are websites used to organize and sell the products online. An out-of-the-box storefront is available with Dynamics 365 for retail, which can be used to develop a new site. The framework provided can be used to connect to an existing website or to integrate with another third-party website provider. Call center channels are used for traditional call centers where customer service representatives take orders over the phone, or in other scenarios where sales personnel can create, update, or manage customer orders and issues over the phone. Interfaces are considered a device or program enabling a user to communicate with a customer or system. Dynamics 365 for retail, right out of the box, is going to work with the following. First, we have POS, and it stands for the point of sale. This is the interface that is used for retail stores or brick-and-mortar stores. There are 2 types of POS interfaces available out of the box with Dynamics 365 for retail. These are going to include Cloud POS and the Modern POS. Both Cloud POS and Modern POS work in the same manner in that they are direct real-time interfaces to the Dynamics 365 system located within the Azure platform. Now, the main difference between them is that if there's an internet connection or interrupts, the MPOS can be configured to work with an offline database locally on the device until connectivity is reestablished. Both POS options can be used on the hardware of the channel, ranging from standard registers to tablets and mobile devices. E-commerce is considered to be a website. The out-of-the-box storefront uses Azure end users to view the website by using any web browser. The Dynamics 365 for retail user interface is the direct interaction to the Dynamics 365 environment. Users can access Dynamics 365 through a browser that is pointing to an access point of the system. Depending on the configuration of security to the Dynamics 365 system within the Azure platform, the users may be able to access the system from any browser. Here's some important terminology concepts you should know. CDX stands for Commerce Data Exchange. It is a system that transfers data between Dynamics 365 for retail server and its configured retail channels. CDX has been re-engineered for the cloud platform. It continues to manage the transfer of data between Dynamics 365 for retail and retail channels such as online stores or brick-and-mortar stores. The real-time service is part of the CDX that sends messages back and forth in real time from the channel to the headquarters. The sync service is part of the CDX that sends messages back and forth between the channel and headquarters on a periodic scheduled basis. Now, the CTR stands for Commerce Runtime. It delivers multi-channel commerce capability that has uniform extensibility. It facilitates businesses processing between the head office and online stores and between the head office and retail brick-and-mortar stores. All of this takes place in the Azure platform. The hardware station provides services for Dynamics 365 for retail modern POS clients and peripherals such as printers, cash drawers, and payment devices.